fundamentally important, and we have no quarrels with that. But the UNDP said that government must fund the process. It is permissible for the government to fund the process. The government funding of the process is not the issue. The issue is the government procuring the DVR kits. This is a single party government, and therefore the procurement by of the kits is what we are objecting to. We are not objecting to government funding. Government is allowed to fund constitutional bodies in terms of section 325 of the Constitution. We know that. But it is not permissible for the government to take over a procurement process without explanation, a procurement process which was going on well. So the country representative of the UNDP was correct. Well, of course it has. It has affected the attendance, but we are not really worried about that. What we are quite happy about, and we are flattered as NERA, that when we have a simple meeting, like a simple event like a feedback rally, we have all the police officers of this republic in Harare. So we are very happy that this increases the cost to the regime. This is the cost of dictatorship. Dictatorship is expensive. These police officers are not coming into town for free. There is an expense which goes with it. So this is very flattering for NERA. It underlies the potency of NERA.
What's the way forward now?
Well, we say in law that if an order and a law or a law is unjust and unfair and unreasonable, responsible citizens have a positive duty to disobey. So from now onwards, we are not going to allow them to suppress our demonstration. We are going to demonstrate in the paths that we have chosen, whether they agree or not. We have given them the chance. We have displayed that we are law-abiding. We have displayed that we are responsible and sensible citizens, but we cannot continue being suppressed by a black government. We are predominantly black people, and we cannot allow oppression by black on black. ZANU-PF is demonstrating every day against itself, and basically this is a party which is self-cannibalizing, and it is being allowed to demonstrate, and we are not being allowed to demonstrate, and we will not accept that. It is a principle for which we are willing to sacrifice.